Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Danny Younes from Supercharge Wyckoff VSA.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. In today's Forex analysis, I'm going to look at the New Zealand CAD. And what I've got here is the 4-hour chart. Okay, so we can see that we have been in a downtrend, all right, for quite some time, since the 26th, since the 26th of June. All right, so it's been for about a couple of weeks now. Now we've got this widespread down bar, okay, on ultra high volume. So strength appears on down bars. Okay, that's what we teach with the VSA methodology. And we can see here the next bar was up. The next bar was up, and we saw prices push higher. Now look at where price went to the top of this ultra high volume bar. Now if I was looking for a long trade with the New Zealand CAD, then I'll be looking for price to break above this trigger point here of 93.96, right, the high of this down bar. But once it reached that level, we got a sign of weakness, and that sign of weakness is supply coming in, right? So a bit more volume than there was on the way up. So we can see the volume here as it was going up, okay, was slowly increasing, but then we got slightly higher volume than the previous bars, and there was certainly a bit of supply coming in there. Now we saw the next bar was down, which confirmed the weakness. So then we got another down bar. Let me just zoom in here. We can see it better if I zoom in. We got another down bar which closed on the lows. We had an up bar which was on very low volume. Okay, very low volume on this up bar here. Then, you know, we saw further signs of weakness. We saw a up thrust, a sign of weakness 29. They marked the price up, but then they slammed it back down again, and we got a sign of weakness here, a 2-bar reversal. Now this is a severe sign of weakness. Okay, so this will cause, you know, the market to drop. We saw prices try to push their way back up, but we got no demand. Okay, so there's no demand to drive the prices higher. Okay, so what I'm looking for is for prices to take out the low of this bar here. Okay, so if we do see price break beneath this level, then we have a good shorting opportunity. But bear in mind, we've got strength down at these levels here. We've got strength at these levels. So what I would do is to place a trigger point at that level, at the low of this ultra high volume bar. Okay, so to be safe, we want to see price break beneath this key level here, which is 92.18. Okay, so let me just zoom in here. 92.18 to the downside. If we break beneath that level, then I'll be looking for signs of weakness. If you are a more aggressive type trader, you could, get in possibly on the break of this low here. Okay, but be mindful of what's coming up here in the background. Okay, so there is strength here, even though we don't have a sign of strength, but that is strength because strength appears on down bars, and we had ultra high volume appearing. Okay, now if we look at the Smart Center Pro New Zealand CAD, okay, we've got most of the time frames are down. Okay, so we could take a scalp trade if we get some signs of weakness or break beneath this level here of 90. Let's call that 92.60. All right, we'll write it down towards that this level here of 92.18. Okay, so we do see there is weakness. Okay, here's the symbol scanner. All right, we do have weakness. Only the 5-minute chart really is going sideways, but looks like it may turn over. Okay, here's our weakness, our 2-bar reversal, our no demand. Okay, so there's weakness here on the 4-hour chart. On the 30-minute chart, we've had an up thrust. Okay, and the 15-minute chart we've had also no demand. Okay, so I'll be eyeing this out. If I can take a quick scalp trade below this level here, then we possibly may get 30-40 pips, right? As we write it down. If you're more of a conservative type trader, then you'll want to wait for the break beneath this trigger point, which is at 92.18, and then look for signs of weakness to go short. Okay, so if I just change the time frame here, let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Here's the no demand, and here's our support level here as well. So let me just zoom in here. Okay, so we've got some buying appearing. Right, we do have some buying, so that's why I've stated if we clear that level, then that'll be a good short. So just be mindful of that. Okay, and what you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we can clearly see weakness as it reached those highs. We do get weakness coming in. Okay, a buying climax. All right, so now if we take a closer look at that, all right, we've got ultra high volume. So again, when I see bars with ultra high volume, I like to place, the horizontal lines. Okay. Again, we've got ultra high volume on these bars here as well. So they're critical levels. These levels, and we can see we're starting to get signs of weakness beneath that ultra high volume bar. Okay, but like I said, this is the area that I would like it to clear first before thinking about taking a trade. Okay, so that's my thoughts on the New Zealand CAD. Okay, if we do start to push down, where we're likely to go. Okay, so we've got let's zoom in here. So we can see it's been in a sideways movement for some time. So really that 92.18 level is a clear support level. If we break down beneath that level, then we could see around about the 91 to 90.80 level. That's the next area where I would think price will likely go down to. Okay, so keep an eye on New Zealand CAD. Okay, so we're starting to see weakness coming through. Weakness is appearing across multiple time frames. So hopefully we can get a good trading opportunity very soon. Okay, folks, if you've got any questions, send me through an email to info@superchargewyckoffvsa.com. Have a great trading day, folks, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.